We also want to talk about different types of triangles. So triangles can be classified in two ways. We can classify triangles by their angles, and we can classify triangles by their sides. So let's talk about what these words mean first, and then we'll try to identify some types of triangles. So, by their angles, we can either have a right triangle, an acute triangle, or an obtuse triangle. A right triangle has one of the interior angles of the triangle is a right angle, which means it is 90 degrees. So that is a right triangle has a right angle in it. An acute triangle. Oh, isn't that a cute triangle? Sorry, I had to make that pun. But an acute triangle has all of the angles within the interior angles have to be less than 90 degrees. And for an obtuse triangle, one of the angles in an obtuse triangle has to be greater than 90 degrees. So this is how we classify triangles based on the angles. Either it has one angle that's equal to 90 degrees, all of the angles, are less than 90 degrees, or one of the angles is greater than 90 degrees. Now, how about sides? Sides, we're mainly talking about whether they're equal to each other, congruent to each other, or not. So an equilateral triangle means that all sides are congruent. And a way to remember that is equal is in the word equilateral, or it sort of sounds the same. Equal measures of all sides. So that would be an equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle has two sides that are congruent. And I bet you can guess what scalene means. Scalene means no sides are congruent. So we can combine naming types of triangles based on angles and based on sides, and we can name and identify the type of triangle. I'm going to do that in our next video.